All right, this is a Storex made in Canada file box. I like the clasp. It's got just one part here, but it's made in such a way that it has a real good secure latch. When you open it up, you've got plenty of room inside for file storage, nice and deep and no sharp edges, so it's easy to clean. I'm a big fan of that. It's also got a neat feature here once you lock it up. Over on the side here, independent of the clasp, is a place where you can put a lock. So that goes through the top and bottom. It's not going to keep a criminal out, but it'll keep honest people honest and allow you to secure your storage. And then lastly, it's got a nice compartment in the lid here for paper clips or notepads or maybe some pens or something like that. Overall, really nice container, good durable and a nice design. The hinges, I don't think there's metal in them, but they're two pieces, so they're not going to wear out over time. You'll be able to use this for a good long time. Made in Canada. Hope this helps.